Stampin' friends. What I'm going to do right now is a quick second unboxing video. It's my order that I got after the pre-order. So I'm kind of going a little bit early right now. If you had come here to look for the adorable Ride the Range stamp set cards, I'll be doing that, a short one at 7, or maybe 7:05, somewhere around there when I finish the unboxing video. But I wanted any of you who are here now to get to see the unboxing video. So what I have for you is, first I put on top the paper. This one is the pretty linen paper. Let me try to get that close enough for you that you can see the texture. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. Actually, we may have too much light in here, but it feels really nice, and it has adhesive on the other side. So it's really like fabric. Then the next one that I have to show you is called In the Wild. So this one has the kind of cheetah prints and the tigers. So this one has tigers on it, and it is really dark blues and greens, and with a Cajun craze tiger and kind of a bumblebee tiger. Well, let's read. Let's be sure of what they actually say it is. Basic black, Cajun crazed, crushed curry, evening evergreen, Mary Merlot, soft succulent, and whisper white. So that's what it's supposed to be. So that's one page. The other side is a nice fern, kind of jungly print. And then we have some large cats, some big cats on that side. And the background is the evening evergreen and the soft succulent kind of leopard print. So this one has a larger cheetah print. And on the other side, it has the leopards, or leopard print, cheetah print, whatever. So you can see that will be kind of useful with those. Then, this one is a Cajun craze tiger stripe, and then a lighter color there. I don't know if that's maybe blushing bride. And then this side has some really pretty flowers, which you definitely could use with some other things. And then, let's see here. Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna get two at once. That'll help us be faster. This one is a nice, like, little jungle print, but I could see that. Then this is a nice jungle print, and on the background, it's like those, like, hanging vines kind of a print. So I really like that. And then this one is a nice tribal, which I really like. And then this one is the leopards on the soft succulent with the nice shades of green on it. So that is the In the Wild. And then moving on to this one, which is called Bloom Where You're Planted, which is kind of fun. And you can see this top one is this pretty, kind of like indoor plants kind of a print there. And then the other side is a nice plank flooring, kind of. And then another kind of neutral with some empty pots. And then, let's see here, a little jungle print. We have several of those this time, I guess. And a brick wall. Let's see here, what's next? What next exciting thing we have? All right. Then we have a dark green print. On the back side of that is a darker, browner wall. I like the plants too, Natalie. They're cute. And then here's some more vines or some branches. And then the back side is just kind of a nice rustic look. Let's see, I may have done all those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, nope, there should be one more. Oh, poo. What is it? Oh, okay, it's this one. These nice plants. This may be some of the best plants. And then on the background, it has a wood grain. All right, so that's the little plants. And then on this one, this is called Sweet Symmetry. Sweet Symmetry. And let me try to just pull these all out. I think that'll make it so much faster for us. So this is just kind of a wild kind of a print. Lots of colors. The back side of it is a real pretty soft succulent. Then we've got this nice pink. It's kind of like wallpaper or something in a kind of a busy place. Then the background is these pretty flowers. I kind of like that. And then, oh, this is a flower shape that Stampin' Up! Uses a lot. This kind of like growing little plant there. We've seen that a few times, but these are nice different colors that we haven't seen before. Then let's see, the next one is kind of the same thing, but a little more sprouted. Kind of a different kind of look there. And then the back side, oh, the back is a nice navy. That's really cute. And then this one has some yellows and coral and navy. And then this side is just the yellow. And this I think is really pretty. This is the ombre specialty paper. So it has kind of a gradient going from top to bottom. And then the yellow going from top to bottom. And then, okay, that's probably supposed to be papaya or something. And then, oh, that's rich and pretty. I love that. It's just kind of it's pretty much a glimmer paper, but it's not quite as shiny as some of our glimmer papers. But it's got a lot of, oh, I am not catching the glimmer on that, sorry. And then this is a pretty lilac, so those are really cute. All right, now this next one I really like. This one is called Expressions in Ink. So it has this gorgeous gold foiling. Oh yeah, you can see that. On the watercolored flowers. And the back side of that, as if we would ever use it, is this kind of the effect of it having been, people were telling me you could do that on vellum and blow the alcohol around. So that would be a way to do that. Ooh, then this is almost like a marble or a granite, and it has the gold in there. Ooh, that's looking nice. Okay, and then the background doesn't have any gold, but it's kind of those same pretty flowers. Ooh, I like this one. Shiny, shiny, very pretty one. And the back side is just kind of a little more calm. And then, oh, another green. This has a kind of a lime and a dark green, and then it has the gold in it. Background is the green. Oh, then these are pale papaya. Very pretty, kind of a peachy kind of color. Oh, there's actually not, no, there is. The centers of the flowers have the gold, and the background is an old olive. And then we have this gorgeous stripe, which would be really pretty to color. That's gold. That's actually not as shiny. There we go. It's shiny, but you couldn't see it very well. And then the back side is the pale papaya. So that was a really pretty set. All right. And now we have You're a Peach Designer Series paper. I think this may be my favorite, as it is really sweet and has lots of pretty colors. I'm just going to get out some of each so I'm sure that I get the right ones. Don't leave anyone behind. We don't want to have anyone be sad. Any of these little peach guys. Okay, so there's some peaches and kind of a traditional color. The background is a gorgeous cameo coral polka dot with a little watercolor striation. And then this looks like maybe an old olive or a pear pizzazz, just kind of multicolored. And then this gorgeous ditzy print. I love that with the peach blossoms. And then we have this little kind of tulip looking flowers, which is very cute. The back side is a cameo coral stripe. Ooh, I like this one. Really pretty blue, almost a ticking, but tinier. That's very pretty. And the background is, the back side is this really pretty peach blossoms. I believe that one would be cut out with the dies. Okay, here we are again with some more peaches and some flowers. And then, oh, this is cute. That looks like wallpaper. So adorable. Little tiny peaches. And then this maybe, let's see, this maybe, I think it is my favorite pattern because of the blue and the peach. I love peach and orange. And if you get my newsletter, you know that because it's peach and orange. I mean, peach and orange and blue. So yeah, and some white. So you can see it's very similar. And then the back side is this sweet little polka dot. So that's our peach paper. The next thing we only have 2 more papers. I'll try to hurry. We have this Simply Elegant Designer Series paper. So it is the one that has a lot of different golds and coppers in it. So it has this pretty shiny gold copper. The back side then is just a plain kind of a, not really black, more of a going the one I'm talking about, the darker gray. And then this is black, and the back side is a really pretty coppery floral. And then we have this, it's almost like the tin tile embossing folder, at least it reminds me of it. It has both silver and copper and gold on it. I don't know, can you see that? And I would have loved if I had gotten this out to use with my Ride the Range. That could have had kind of a Western look, so I'll have to try that sometime. And then this little kind of dots and dashes. Okay, here is kind of like almost like feathers or like a little kind of layer there. And then this side is kind of like the old embossing folder with the dainty diamonds. And let's see here, we should have 2 more papers. We do. This one is just kind of like a little diamond kind of funny shape. Then this side is a really pretty floral, and then leaves. And then this side is again silver and gold, like little punches out. That kind of reminds me of boho blossoms from back in the day. I don't know if anybody remembers that stamp set, but kind of looks similar to me. All right. This is our vellum, and it's a shimmer vellum. It's not just plain vellum. It has the in colors. So we have several pretty colors here. That was our soft succulent. And we have our polished pink. And then our evening evergreen. Did I mix those up? Nope, that's definitely the darker of the greens. And then we have, if I can get a hold of them, the fresh freesia and the pale papaya. So I think those are gorgeous too. Then I have this Sweet as a Peach stamp set. Ooh, this evening evergreen ribbon, isn't that nice? Got a lot of good texture to it. Then this, I believe, is mint macaron velvet ribbon. Gorgeous. Then this is just jade, and it has gold in it. This is interesting. Soft pastels assortment. I haven't tried that yet. That'll be fun to try. I don't know how they work yet. And this is the Measure of Hope stamp set. And I just think it's a Measure of Love, sorry. I just think it's adorable with the little scale and then the little cupcakes. And then this is the Artistically Inked set that goes with that gorgeous paper. I think that'll be a lot of fun. And then, of course, matching peach dies. This is an embellishment kit that goes with the Artistically Inked. That'll be fun. Oh, another pretty ribbon. That's nice. What color does it say it is? Flirty Flamingo and Gold. So it makes it look almost peach. Oh, I just happened to get me some more water painters. I didn't have those. Then this is mini jam jars. Oh my goodness. Those go with the peach set, so you can be like you're having something peach. So they're just a little jar that you can put embellishments in or something. That'll be fun. And then I have some little boxes. Oh, I did get plenty of those. I got plenty of boxes. Oh, I have one more paper, you guys. I didn't do the Christmas one, of course. We need to do that. That out of the way. Let's see. Oh, then another stamp set, Mini Happenings. Goes with the big die that cuts out all the pieces, so that'll be fun to use. And then gold and rose gold metallic specialty paper. This is interesting. People have said that it has some lines on it. Mine has, that one doesn't. Not seeing any lines, but that is a gorgeous paper. Let me find the other one. There's the gold and there's the rose gold. Let's see if you can see the difference. Can you see the, yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good. And it's so shiny. I think that'll be a lot of fun to work with. So there's that. And then get some more of this out of the way. And I will work on this Christmas paper. I may not be able to show you all of it because I do have a bit of a time crunch, but I think we can at least fan through it and see. Let's see here. Ooh, let me go back this way. Oh yeah, those are nice. They're very tiny. I would say that they're very small. Oh, but there's several of each one, so maybe I can show you real quick. So we've got this side and then that side. And then, ooh, this is a nice, really tiny holly print. And the back side is just plain. I can't imagine using that one very much, but it's kind of a snowflakes on maybe a crumb cake. And there is some lined paper with the Evening Evergreen and the Soft Succulent. And the back side is like a real red, kind of a floral. And then kind of a holly and mistletoe kind of thing, and maybe some ivy. Holly and the ivy when they are both full grown. And then the back side is Soft Succulent. Let's see. This one is a red and white stripe, and then this side is some little pines, very cute little bits of that. And the last one looks to be a tiny ditzy green with the back side is another khaki. So super cute, super cute.